nyina nim Ghana say or show and as a heat party ye nyina e wo bi madene ma heat ne bai eye Dumsor o kania na Africa joka krani edum ne aso no 1 hour 2 hours anadwo pa no ne edum kania na chese wo bia bo eyibra obi akasa ni abem mpanifo etwoboi ne etwom bom yetwom napa ene coastal for nam na ese na chese duabo ene nam na aka asofo nso ekom no eye prophet Kofi Oduro say eye ndre ye enam say Dumsor nti be bia okodaye no na no odin ehefa ena wokodaye ma yentie be bia okodaye emra sesia.
I slept outside of my house. I slept on 3 chairs. And I slept on 3 chairs. Because you can't sleep. You are living in a nation that has leadership. We voted for leaders. We're giving them free food, free water, free electricity, free plane, free fuel, free everything. And giving them salary. And we are asking them, fix our mess. Leaders. Fix our mess. Leaders. And they are here blaming other people. Ghana, you are crippled. You are blind. Your leaders are blind and dumb dogs who cannot speak and who does not perform. You are 67 years and you are struggling with common electricity. Electricity is common. It's a common amenity. What is happening is not lack of supply. It's money issue. And when it's money issue, it's mismanagement. Now this electricity thing is revealing how flawed our leadership is. Flawed leadership. I don't care about your parties. I don't care about who is in power. To me, when you talk about old people and people who are in leadership, and I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Because we are living in a place where, hope must be restored. Hope must be restored. We are praying for you. We are trusting God with you. We are not talking ill about our country. We are speaking positively that things will be better. And you people are there, enjoying with your families and, having it. Because when the lights went off and we are in the heat, your generator starts automatically and we are paying for it. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Let's say that I am a pastor of a denomination and I spoke against this. I will be transferred the next week. Suspended. So even our fathers are not making it easy for the trouble to be solved. Yesterday, many hospitals slept in darkness. They have patients in critical situations. They're sleeping in darkness. 67 years. Be a little patriotic this morning and think about Ghana. We are in crisis. The president of Rwanda has been able to jail almost 17 of his own relatives. He doesn't care whether you are a relative. You are fooling, you go to jail. At the moment, one of his niece is in prison right now. You are an obstacle to progression. They put you behind bars. It's sad. I don't blame the people who want to travel because when they look at all the madness, they don't see any light in it. So they take their bags and I say, away from this book. I went to one of the embassies recently and my heart broke. One day, I saw over 600 people one day applying for visa in one day. Can you imagine 600 people times 30 days? Tell me the number of people that are looking for an opportunity to leave Africa. Why? What? And you feel like Christianity is tell them Jesus is coming and let's close and go home. That's it. When you need vote, you come to church. I should tell church people, hallelujah, Jesus will help you this week. Go home and sleep. And that is church? What kind of nonsense is this? I don't understand. What kind of leadership is this? Africa at the moment is bleeding. And it's not only Ghana. Go to Nigeria and see flawed, weak leadership. Go to, Uganda and see how weak and vulnerable and frail. No leadership. when the boys went to the Elwak Stadium and they were saying, government employ us to the immigration service, and everybody paid 200 cedis for their forms, and the people that showed up were 20,000 people. If I multiply 20,000 by 200 cedis, I have already hit 4 million. What I need is a vision and a leader. They didn't know that they had capital to start a thing because they are blind. And this is what Ghana does not want to listen. Somebody who can look at you and tell you blatant truth. We don't want that. Blind people want to join immigration. The people that gathered there could raise 4 million, but they didn't see that potential. And when they turned them away, they go blaming Akufo. There is no hope in your leadership right now. And I'm not only talking about these people. When you're in opposition, there is no hope. It's hopeless. I just told you something. This leadership is a hopeless leader. Look up unto God, the author and the finisher of your faith, who can be able to help, who for the joy set before him, the Bible said, he endured the cross, despising the shame, and the Bible said, and he sat down at the right hand of God, making intercession for me with groanings that cannot be uttered. Begin to hope in your God. Believe in Jesus that everything is possible. He can help you to put food on your table. He can help you to fix water in your house. He can be able to help you to pay your children's school fees. It is God that will enable you to turn the situation around. It is God that will come in the situation and glorify his name. I commend you to this God and to the word of his grace that is able to build you up and to give you an inheritance. I declare by the mercies of God that the Lord should protect you and deliver you from every sickness, that you will never appear at Kolebu 37. May the Lord be your health, because you will not like what you will see at the hospitals of Ghana. May the Lord defend and protect you from sicknesses, accidents and diseases. May you be delivered from the Newsome pestilence and from the snare and the arrow that flieth by day. 1,000 will fall on your side and 10,000 at your right hand. It will not come nigh.
Papa so that one. They said papa yenya that one too. Obi and yobia. They said the yenya ye go abontin sa. Dumsor emfa so no. Ekwe ntwa bakra.